What's up, everybody? We back again. We're about to learn today something a little bit different. You've been asking me how to use the paint. So I'm gonna do a haircut, but it's gonna be more on teaching on how to use the paint, how to brush it on, what to use, what not to use. So stay tuned and you'll see this blessing, man. What's up? I've been cutting all day. Ezzy came to bring me lunch. It's just been me all day. I forgot to tell you guys. I mean, look at my station. I've been back to back. Oh my God. State board is gonna find my ass. I gotta clean it. I'm gonna use this. I did a review about it. The Model X, it's cool. The only thing I do recommend is always clean your tools. These do get gunked up pretty fast. So we're just gonna wait for my last client of the day. I have like 4 or 5 left. No, like 3, 4 left. I have a little bit left, but my last client, I've already cut him before. He's the one that did the burst fade mohawk. We're just gonna show you guys how to use this, and that'll be the end of the video, so stay tuned, guys. All right, y'all, so here's the before. We're gonna do the haircut. I'm gonna show you the after, and then we'll use the enhancements. We finished doing the taper. We cut some off the top. This is how it looks without anything. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to put the enhancements on. You need your little black paint, your dye. See if you can get that. That's what I use. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna lift this lid up. There we go. You're gonna untwist it, and now, because I'm only doing it with him, we're not gonna use that much. Can you see? There we go. All we're gonna do is turn this on. Before I forget, what you need, you can get it at Amazon or like paint supplies, but it's usually like a L shape with a round, so you can do the C cups in the back, and it's gonna help you just line it up perfectly to just enhance it. Right when I turn this on, you're gonna see just air blow out. And you can see, yep. All you're gonna do is just press this button. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay this flat and just spray. The closer you do it, the darker it'll get. Remember, we're not trying to make it look so drastic. We're gonna do the other side. Put this down and go down the line. Press the button. Now, my client gets the beard natural, so all we're gonna do is just touch this part and the corners. And this is why you need this round spot, just so you can hit it right there. And go around. Nothing too crazy, nothing too dark. Easy. Remember, the closer you get, the darker the paint's gonna be. So mind your distance. There's no rush, take your time. Backwards now. Now, as you can see, it's not too painted, not too showing. I like more of a natural look.
And what really makes everything pop is if you straight razor it. So I'm gonna straight razor it, and then we'll come back so you can see the difference.
The enhancement, that thing probably.
Bro, yeah, all the people that I competed with, bro, all of them had enhancements, and I was like, oh, okay, now I know for next time. Like, it's just not the haircut.
You gotta have like all the details and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes sense. I mean, for competition, they want like everything you got, you know.
Bro, and it's cool, bro. Like, you get a network and meet new people, and there's people that will stop by and be like, bro, we like how you cut. Like, can you do this? Or there was a couple like famous barbers where when I competed, like they stopped me by, and they're like, hey, bro, like we saw what you were doing. Like, you're really good. Keep up the good work. And you know, just to see some people like that, just to acknowledge your work.
Yeah, just getting
it just pushes you. You know what I mean? Yeah,
it's a good feeling.
Yeah, bro. Hell yeah.
It gives you the confidence that you can try new things and everything else.
Exactly. Get out your comfort zone. Be comfortable being uncomfortable.
I mean, you're getting whatever you're doing right now is good, you know. Might as well try something new and see if you can do that,
you know. Yeah, hell yeah. All right, y'all, we're back. This is the end product. Nothing too crazy. Something simple. Any barber can use these enhancements. Don't think no one can use them. Everyone can, you know what I mean? Like, always try new things. Obviously, there's some clients that don't want it. That's fine. You don't have to use them. But 9 times out of 10, when I tell a client, hey, can I put this on? If you don't like it, I'll take it off. 9 times out of 10, they keep it and they're happy and always want it back.
All right, y'all, that's the end of the day. Now, that client that I cut was not the Mohawk client. He looked similar. That's his twin brother. I got them confused, not by their name or how they look. I just switched the schedules around. So thank you to him. The paint works perfectly fine. The paint works wonders. Less is more when it comes to paint. It's easy to paint it and make it look fake than it is to do less and make it look more realistic. So I do suggest getting a piece of paper and always, spraying it. I know there's some big tank ones that have like the airbrush one. Those ones work really well. They're just super loud. I like this one. Here, let me get it. I like this one a lot. Now, I have to clean this. It even comes with a metal like poker. I have to clean it or it gets clogged. If it gets clogged, I can't use it for a whole day because it takes forever to declog. So remember to clean your tools. Remember, some people might not like it, so don't get offended if you don't use it or you think the haircut's gonna come out better. If you use this, it might come out better, but it's not your haircut. It's the client. Always listen to the client. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ezzy has her channel too. She's the one that edits my video, so follow her. I'll probably put a description right here, or up here, or over here, or she'll over here. She'll do it. Follow me on Blessedbyabe on Instagram. We have a TikTok. It's barbers_avenue. We're here Tuesday through Saturday. We're gonna get new stations, finally, new chairs, a whole new look. Everything's gonna be dope. Stay tuned, y'all, because big things are coming. Thank you.